This will be a quick video on how to find and detect slag inclusions after a failed X-ray. Using die penetrant, developer, and a grinder to repair a 304 stainless steel tank. Also the correct and incorrect placement of the MIG torch while running 308L Flux Core with gas, and how to avoid entrapping slag while running this wire. Let's start by grinding off the cover pass. After the cover pass is grounded flush to the base material of the cylinder, continue grinding about 1/4 inch in depth into the seam, getting close in between the root pass and hot pass. Quick note, the closer the defect is to the middle of the weld size outline on the X-ray, the more likely the inclusion is on the root pass or hot pass. After grinding 1/4 inch in depth into the seam, blow off and wire wheel the dust off the groove and apply die penetrant. Let the penetrant saturate the groove for about 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, wipe off the penetrant with a rag. I would prefer a lint-free rag if you have it. After the penetrant is wiped off, go over the groove with a wire wheel to remove any leftover lint or debris. After all debris have been removed from the groove, apply developer to the groove. Let developer dry and saturate the groove for about 10 minutes before making any judgment to keep on digging. Now that the slag inclusions can visually be seen after applying developer, now proceed by grinding until you reach and remove all slag from the groove. Quick recap. Repeat this process as many times if you haven't found the defects or inclusions displayed on the X-ray. By applying this method over time in different situations and scenarios, you will gain an intuitive understanding on how to approach any situation or scenario with more efficient confidence on how to weld repair any failed X-ray, UT, or MAC particle NDT test.